Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to maths class. In last classes, we have learned about similar triangles. In that similar triangles, first concept we learned basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem, applications of the basic proportionality theorem. Afterwards, we learned criteria of similarities. Similar triangles. What are those one? SSSS similarity, SAS similarity, AAA similarity, ASS similarity. All those we learned. Afterwards, we learned a few applications on the similarities. Exercise 1 and exercise 2 problems we discussed. In exercise 1 also construction, one line segment division concept was pending, and in exercise 2 also constructions of similar triangles are pending. In next chapter you will get a circles constructions also, tangents and circles. So all constructions at a time I will explain, all three at a time. Separately construction part one I will explain. So need not to worry about constructions. Constructions will be separate classes. Okay. Now in similarities, in similar triangles, we were discussing about some applications of the similarities. In that, many different model problems we learned. So, already one concept I explained. If two triangles are similar, the ratio of the two similar triangles perimeter is equal to the ratio of their corresponding sides. Using that, one or two problems also we discussed. Okay. So, using the similarities in a quadrilateral, in a trapezium, diagonals bisect. If the diagonals intersect at a point O, ABCD quadrilateral diagonals intersect at O, then AO by OC is equal to OB by OD also we proved. In both ways we proved, using the BPT and using the similarities. Okay, just I am going with some recall with the applications of the similarities only. One problem I will discuss and later I will move to the next concept. So what is that one? The perimeter of two similar triangles is the perimeter of two similar triangles. Are 45 centimeters and 25 centimeters respectively. If one side of the first triangle is 12 centimeters, instead of 12 I will take 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. Determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. This is your problem. The perimeter of two similar triangles are 45 centimeters and 25 centimeters respectively. If one side of the first triangle means the perimeter of the first triangle is 45 centimeters respectively, means this is first triangle, this second triangle perimeters. One side of the first triangle is 15 centimeter. Determine the corresponding side of the second triangle. So let us assume that perimeter perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to 25 centimeters. I am supposing, they did not mention any name, so just I am supposing there. Those are the two triangles. Again, one side of the first triangle means first triangle is this one, ABC. In that one, let us assume that AB is equal to 15 centimeters. Then find out the AB's corresponding is PQ. So PQ we have to find out. Already I gave a concept here. If two triangles are similar, the ratio of their perimeters of the two similar triangles is equal to their corresponding sides ratio. Using that concept, perimeter of triangle ABC by perimeter of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ. Okay, what is perimeter of a triangle ABC here? 45 by 25 is equal to 15 by PQ. Now cancel it. Is 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45. Okay. Now 9 by 5 is equal to 15 by PQ. Randomly I took, sir, I may get any value. Now cross multiply here. PQ into 9 is equal to 15 into 5. And PQ is equal to 15 into 5 by 9. 3 3s are 3 5s are. PQ is equal to 25 by 3. If I simplify, 3 8s are 24.10, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and so on. Approximate value is 8.33 or 8.4 also. 8.3 you can take. It is continuously you get. Okay? So please make a note. Okay, hope you understand this problem. Next one is students, and the next problem is from the adjacent figure prove that 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z. This is your diagram. So in your textbook you have this complete information of the texture problem. So I am not taking that complete information, just a diagram I took. Okay, because space will not sufficient to write the question. So that here, what they given here in this figure, ABC here in the adjacent figure, AB is equal to x units, PZ is equal to z units, CD is equal to y units, and these three lines are on the same base. So here one triangle and here one triangle, ABD one triangle and BDC another triangle. PQ is the one more line perpendicular to BD is given. This is information, given information. What they given here? Given is AB is equal to x centimeters. Sorry, x units you take. X units. PQ is equal to z units. And DC is equal to CD is equal to y units. Since AB perpendicular to BD, CD also perpendicular to BD, PQ also perpendicular to BD. Means all these three lines are perpendicular to the same base. So they are parallel to each other. They are parallel to each other. Parallel property, class A. Parallel lines property. Since AB is perpendicular to BD, PQ is perpendicular to BD, and CD also perpendicular to BD. So all these three lines are on the same base. So that implies AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to PQ is parallel to CD. Okay, keep it in mind that. So now next one is consider this ABD triangle and PQD triangle. Consider two triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle PQD. In triangle ABD, angle B is 90 degrees. As well as in PQD triangle also angle Q is 90 degrees. Am I right? Angle ABD is equal to angle PQD is equal to 90 degrees. In ABD triangle, in PQD triangle, angle D, this is a BDA and QDA is common angle, this one. Are you able to understand here? So try to understand the concept here. First, ABD triangle I took, whole triangle. Forget about this AC line here. Rough diagram, ABD. ABD. And PQD you take. PQD. This is 90, this is 90. And this angle is common for reflex angle it is. Okay. So reflex angle. So angle BDA is equal to angle QDP. Reflexive property. So by angle similarity, this angle and this angle, angle. This angle B is equal to angle Q, angle BDA is equal to angle QDP. So by AA similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQD. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQD. Okay. By similarities property, by using the similarities, this AB by PQ is equal to BD by QD. BD by QD. Okay. So AB means X by Z. This is X, this is Z. Is equal to, I will write first smaller triangle and bigger triangle so that I may simplify easily I think. Because I need the ratios now there. Since I need the 1 by X, 1 by Y, reciprocals are required now. So 1 by X means AB here. Triangle PQD is similar to triangle ABD. Here you can take ABD similar to PQD also. There is no clash or no disturbance here. So you can take anyone. For my convenient purpose, I am taking first smaller triangle and then bigger triangle I am taking. For my convenient purpose, I am taking smaller one first and second one is the bigger one I am taking. Comparison, because I need the reciprocals from there. So PQ by AB, if I take ABD, PQD also same answer I get. Only thing is last you need to reciprocal it. Those are all without doing reciprocal, direct I am taking here. PQ by AB is equal to QD by BD. QD by BD. Okay, QD by BD. Now PQ is nothing but a Z by X. X will come in denominator. If I take first this triangle and this triangle second one out, then X by Z. Only thing is you need to reciprocal. That's it. Is equal to QD by BD. BD is nothing but a BQ plus QD. BQ plus QD. First I will take this one. Equation 1. Equation 1 I took. Again, this whole triangle and again this triangle I take. Whole triangle and again this triangle I take. In triangle, again this one, BDC. Okay. Again here in this triangle, BDC. Again common triangle, this triangle only I am taking. PBD. Sorry, PQD. So take this one and triangle PBQ. Triangle BDC and PQB. Okay. Now, in triangle BDC, rough diagrams you take here. PBQ. This angle are 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees now perpendicular. Angle CDB is equal to angle PQB because 90 degrees there. And one more is this angle is reflexive angle like previous one. Yes, first previous condition I took ABD triangle and QBC you took. Now second time I am taking this whole triangle and this partition of the triangle PQB triangle I am taking. PQB I am taking. ABD, BCD and PQB. So angle DBC is equal to angle QBP. Angle QBP. Reflexive property again. See here, try to understand this one. First condition is no disturbance. In second one also, by taking this one, this whole triangle and this partition of the triangle I took. So again by AA similarity. By AA similarity, triangle PBQ or PQB is similar to triangle CDB. Triangle PQB is similar to triangle PCDB by AA similarity. Their corresponding side sides and lengths are proportional. Again the same property here. PQ by CD is equal to BQ by BD. PQ by CD is equal to BQ by BD. Corresponding sides ratios are equal. This perpendicular lines and this base. Now PQ is nothing but a Z and this is Y. Z by Y is equal to BQ by BD. This is equation number 2. Now add these two equations. Equation 1 plus equation 2. If I add them, Z by X plus Z by Y, LHS only, RHS only, QD by DD plus BQ by BD. Now here Z, if you take common, 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to, here common base BD. Then what will get? QD plus BQ. QD plus BQ is nothing but a BD only now. So Z into 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to BD by BD. Now Z into 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1. Z set beside 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. Hence true. So please make a note and then once again I will explain the problem. See here, from the adjacent figure, prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. To prove this one, this is given figure. In this one, AB, PZ and CD values are the given, X, Z, Y units. Since AB, PQ, CD, all these three are the perpendicular to the same base, so they are parallel to each other. Three are parallel to each other. Since they are parallel, now first this ABD triangle and PQD triangle I to consider. In triangle ABD, in triangle PQD, this angle B and angle ABD and angle PQD are 90 degrees. In the same way, this D angle is BDA and QDA angle is reflexive angle. That is common to both. So by AA similarity, this ABD triangle is similar to PQD. Since they are similar, their corresponding sides lengths are in proportional. So PQ by AB is equal to QD by BD. QD by BD. That is equation 1. Z by X. PQ means Z, AB means X. Z by X is equal to QD plus BD. And again next one is in triangle BDC, PQB triangle again. Triangle BDC and triangle PQB triangle. So in BDC triangle this angle is 90 degrees, PQB triangle this is 90 degrees. And angle QBP and DBC are reflexive angles. That is a common angle. So again by AA similarity, two triangles are similar. So PQB is similar to CDB. So therefore PQ by CD is equal to BQ by BD. PQ means Z by Y is equal to BQ by BD. And this is equation number 2 I took and previous one equation 1. Now add these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Z by X plus Z by Y LHS. RHS is QD by BD plus BQ by BD. Now Z you take common, 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to BD common base. So QD plus BQ by BD. Now Z into 1 by X plus 1 by is nothing but a BD. So BD by BD means 1. Z into 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1. Z is send this sign. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z. Hence proved. Okay. So any more doubts? Okay. Hope you understand this one. This concept. Very important problem this one. Important problem this one. Okay. Please make a note and a few more applications and concepts we will discuss in next video.